Oh, as far as just the icons? Yeah. So it will show my screen on there, my name on there twice because I'm laptop for webcam and then main. Um, share screen, main computer. Let's do it on screen one.
There it is.
Awesome. All right, so I'll just bring this guy over. Does that show up too? Yep. So I got
Awesome.
everything on the checklist done, like I said, except for the icons such as more apps, growable, mission, vision, and chatbot.
Oh, okay. So a couple more things.
Yeah, it's just like I said, it's just the icons and that's it.
Oh, all right. So let's see what we got right now. You want to go ahead and open up the page? Let's see what the icons are currently.
No, not that one. I hate this is what it shows on my local screen.
All right. Let's jump back over the code real quick.
Sure.
Are those the only two files we gave you? Or,
Yeah.
or did we give
Somebody just said public dot the HTML one, and that was it. I put off of Firebase.
we didn't give you a code repository, we just gave you like a single file?
Yeah, you told me just to do the index.html.
How'd you get that? Did we email it to you?
GitLab.
Okay. Can you show me the whole Git project that you cloned?
I just went to the repository and just clicked download
Okay.
and opened it up. Oh, so I missed quite a bit then.
It's all good. I mean, this is a great learning opportunity. So, question 1, are you working, it looks like you're working on a Windows machine.
Correct. Yep.
Cool. 2, have you ever used any sort of command line interface?
Yes, I have. It's just been a minute.
Okay. I don't know if Adam has, let me check on my screen to see if Adam built in CLI. I know VS Code does. Adam terminal panel. Yeah, it does actually look like there is a terminal that you can get
Yes,
for
I think
Adam.
I ran it from. Whoops.
So you don't have to do it right now.
Oh, okay.
But what we should do in order to get everything is go ahead and click out to public, or click all the way out to voicefirstech.com.
Mm-hmm.
Like in the top, do you see the master drop? Nope. Yes. Do you see the download button here? Right beside the blue clone button on the right.
Yes.
Download that as zip. I think that's the option. Yeah,
Yep.
download that as a zip.
Oh, I got you.
There's just like, so right now it's just the raw HTML, and it references a lot of things like CSS in JavaScript and a lot of other files. And right now you're missing those. So once we get this, you'll be able to see the fully functioning website on your local machine.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I just didn't click. I was like, he said HTML and that was it, but yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Um,
And if you decide to do another one, I'll help you learn how to do a little bit of command line stuff. It'll take no more than like 10 minutes extra. And
yeah, no, I'm game. I'm totally game.
cool. So go ahead and extract that zip wherever you would like, wherever you keep your projects. Yes, we have a folder. You know you hold a special place in someone's heart if there's a folder named after you.
Yeah, I try to stay organized. That way I could find all my stuff easier and locate it. All right, so that's extracting perfect.
It's what I like to hear from an engineer. Organized is something like engineers need. We follow rules, you know. Everything has a place, and if it doesn't, it's like an itch.
Yeah, that it is. Did you get a lot of other projects or things accomplished today? Oops.
Today we were working on voice dry cleaner, so
Mm-hmm.
I was trying to release a free version so that any dry cleaner can get on for free before they have to go with the paid version.
All right.
I took a lot of the Alexa for Musicians backend and I'm moving that over to voice dry cleaner, and there's just like a couple little things that aren't connecting right. So I hit some barriers. I got a lot done, but I'm still going to have more to do tomorrow.
Yeah.
Very grateful to have additional team members updating
Mm-hmm.
things.
Yeah. That was awesome.
How's the rest of work been for you?
A little stressful. I mean, it's calming down in a good way. But again, they're just trying to throw more on us to accomplish in a short period of time so they can let people go within the next 2.5, 3 weeks. So I'm trying to just be prepared for that, make sure that I have, my backup plan ready and in place before that happens. And so, yeah. Other than that, remodeling a house has been honestly fun, different.
What are you working on right now in the house?
Right now we're remodeling our master bathroom. The shower was fine, but the vanity and the floor and then just painting needed to be updated. So we ended up getting a new vanity already, new faucets. He still needs to order a new mirror and a new light. So those are the last two things I'm waiting to come in. But at least with me moving the plumbing and having the hole in the wall fixed already, all we have to do is finish patch-up work and paint, and then I can do the flooring, and then I can move the vanity in and install everything else. And so once that's done, it'll be smooth sailing.
Wow, you guys are super hands-on. That's impressive.
Try. I try to stay busy. All right. So should be able to actually. Well, just review over. Sweet.
Yes, look at all those files. Okay. Now go ahead and copy the contents of the file that you worked on, just like Control A, Control C.
Do it.
You know, like just click on the page and then click.
Oh, it's like I thought I. Interesting. Oh, it's thinking.
Mm,
There we go. Okay.
bam. Now open up your public folder. Open up the exact same equivalent file in this structure.
Say that again. Sorry.
That index.html. Just open that file and paste your changes right in there. Yep. Just overwrite that entire file with what you have copied. Save it. And then open up your file explorer where you have this extracted. Or actually just open up this file however you want to do that. You might be able to just right click on it and do open.
No, that's okay. I have my photo already here. Whoops, don't change the name. Thank you. Whoops. Why is it showing my OneDrive? Oh, wait. Nope. Microsoft. That's why I love and hate you. Switching. That's why I love my Chrome.
There we go. There it is. Cool. So those are the icons that we'll just need changed.
Yep.
Okay. Cool. All that's looking slick. Yeah, we just get those icons. So let me just remember what the library is. Switch back over to your code editor. And let's try to find one of those icons in your code.
I just looked at one. So here's one for chatbot. So chatbot.
Okay. So you see the I class right above it, that I
Yes.
tag?
Uh-huh.
That I tag is the actual icon, and inside of it you can see some info that will tell you the library that we're using. We see features icon, and then FAS, and then FA exclamation circle, and then FA4X. I don't remember what this library is. If just seeing features icon, it tells me that it's like a style category that's going to make it a certain size. Does not seem like it's telling me anything about the shape. FAS, don't know what that means. FA exclamation circle sounds like the icon name. And the FA generally means font awesome. Font awesome is like the most popular icon and font library use on like web development frameworks. So if we open up a new tab and search font awesome icons, we should be able to find all of the codes for all of their icons. Okay, so they got like almost 8,000 icons, and I believe most of these are free. So let's figure out what icon we want to change to. Let's check back on the web page and see one of the categories. And
Chatbots is the first one.
cool. So for chatbots, you could look up something like as simple as chat, or you could look up something like a Facebook. I think chat would be fine if you just search chat. Yeah, hit enter, see what that does. So you can pick any of these that you think would look good. The music icon might be nice, but so would the chat. Just like a regular chat. This was like I'm very open to suggestion on these icons, you know.
Yeah.
Would you prefer that I give you them, or are you okay like jamming this out with me and we kind of figure this out?
Oh, I'm cool with either. Jamming it out, just figuring it out. Oh, these are pro. So the ones that are like this are free? Oh.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so like the darker ones will be free. So I guess we don't have as many options. Those are kind of cool because that's kind of like our logo.
Yeah.
Like the one on the right is almost exactly our logo. That
This
would
one.
yeah, actually that would be cool. Let's take that one. So it's, you see how it says comment hyphen dots?
Hmm?
Go ahead and type comment hyphen dots to replace exclamation, um, whatever those words were, FA exclamation circle. Yeah, leave the FA and then put hyphen comment hyphen dots.
So I can lose a circle too then?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Save that file. Oh, good catch.
Save. And then refresh my page.
Yeah. It's kind of annoying to me that it always comes up, especially when I'm building.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think it's that bad. Oh, no. What did
I
I
think
do?
I know what happened. I think comment is supposed to be singular instead of comments. I think it's comment. Let's check it one. FA comment dots. Let's check the reference one more time.
Oh, yeah. Comment dot. There we are.
That looks great.
Sweet.
Artificial intelligence. Anything that pops into your head immediately?
Hmm. Usually I think of almost something like from Resident Evil or even iRobot. Um,
I'm not familiar with Resident Evil. I am familiar with iRobot.
so you know the like when they find out it's the um, artificial intelligence that was controlling the robots, making them do bad things, essentially. Um,
The tall cylindrical lady?
yeah. Hmm.
I don't know if they have anything that specific.
I don't think so either. I'm trying to think of something that's a little bit more.
Abstract.
Yeah. Um, I want to say. Let's see. Whoops. What am I hitting? Not enter. Uh, oh, that's so intelligent. Probably won't be one. Mm, you know, like the cloudburst, almost something similar to IBM's Watson, but something that would. Trying to think what to call it.
Cloudburst.
You know what IBM's Watson is when they have like almost a DNA chain connecting.
Oh, like so, like a DNA.
Hmm.
Look up DNA.
And four, of course. Oh, oh,
Oh, where did it go?
that's what?
That was weird.
Very. None of that. That's the closest thing they have for free right now.
That one's kind of cool. It almost looks like an hourglass. You like
Yeah.
that one, or you want something else? I'm cool with DNA or brain. Either of those are cool with me. DNA looks cool.
Let me see what. 'Cause I do like the aspect that it does look like a hourglass.
Go
That
with the
would kind of.
DNA. If you like the DNA, do DNA.
Yeah. That's getting.
So that one will be simple in the code. I think it's just DNA.
DNA. Whoops. Let's see.
I like it.
Yeah, it stands out. For sure.
Conversational AI. Maybe we do the brain for that one. Any
Yeah.
other thoughts for what we could do for a conversational AI? I mean, they might have an Alexa. They might actually have an Alexa logo. Whoa. Oh, all the different options. Interesting.
Learn something new.
Right.
Let's
Right. Yeah.
try Alexa first. Say it again?
Have you ever used Font Awesome before?
No, this is my first time. I was Googling before about 20 minutes ago. Excuse me. To see what I could find, just to look around.
This is a really good check-in because this should be relatively simple to like put these icons in.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, cool. I've worked with when I first started building websites, I had to like download the image files and store them and make sure that they worked on different screens. But now they have these libraries and it's way easy. And it's all free.
Yeah. Unless you choose to upgrade yourself. All right. Features. Conversation. What's our last one?
What do you think of this? Do you like having that scrolling text or do you think we should just remove it?
I like it for people that are coming to the website during work. I guess like what we're doing now makes it just takes a second, but it gives me a chance to look at something else. So it's kind of like, oh, that's loading. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything off our list. Um, but yeah, I mean, like if someone's visiting our site, I like it. It's just while working, it can be a little difficult to deal with. That is. Um,
What other icons we got?
I
And are there semicolons in front of those texts for image in Amazon Alexa? Or a colon?
yes, a colon.
Can we delete those?
I found it.
Cool. Perfect. So what? How many icons we have total? I think we have maybe five.
5. So now we're on Alexa for musicians and your voice, your voice first. Oh, your voice first podcast.
Okay.
Come on.
So the Alexa for musicians.
Oops, I know. That's funny. My Alexa's sitting right.
Musicians by Swing Republic from Sean's Spotify.
Hey.
Alexa, stop. I forgot she was there because she blends in with my monitor, and yeah, usually I'm obviously talking to her. But Alexa for musicians, so something like a podcast. Wait a minute. I think I'm. What if I have publish? I need an synonym. Hmm.
What are you thinking for publish? Like a paper airplane or I'm trying to think of the icon you're thinking of.
Basically, I was hoping to find something that's oh, well, I was hoping to find something for a microphone for one of the two, but because your voice first podcast, after reading the description, should probably not be the microphone.
You don't think so?
Well, oh wait. Every day we talk to business owners and engineers and creators strategies. No, that's right. This one should be a microphone for sure. But when it comes to publishing,
Ah, I think Alexa for musicians could be like a music note or an instrument, like maybe a guitar, or drum, or a set of headphones. Anything music related for Alexa for musicians.
an instrument, so they look like
Yeah.
a drum. Oh, tell me how you really feel.
Mm. You could also do that one for podcasts. They have that podcast icon.
Oh, yeah, that'd be nice.
That was a coincidental find.
All right, the podcast for that one. Right?
Mm. I think you wanted to put podcast on your voice first podcast, one lower.
One lower.
Yeah, your voice first podcast. You're on Alexa for musicians right now.
Oh, yeah.
Podcast looks great.
So for Alexa for musicians, should I do? So you're thinking an airplane,
Sure. Yeah, yeah.
like
Like
a
the little
paper
icon of the airplane.
airplane like that. Yeah, it's about today. Rather than having like, oh, they do have a paper looking. Do you like the paper airplane one?
Yeah, click. Can you click that X? Get the box
I'm
out.
sorry?
Can you click that X so we can see? Or
What
is
X?
is that on my screen? I'm sorry. I thought, wow. I'm sorry about that.
You're good.
That's so hilarious. I think the paper airplane looks fine. Yeah, yeah. What you like the idea of the paper airplane for Alexa for musicians?
Yeah,
Cool. Let's do it.
they're just sending them on their way, publishing stuff online.
Hmm.
Is there anything else?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what did I do? Oh, paper plane. I put an airplane on fly. Wrong refresh. They're flying to the radio show.
Nice.
Oh no. Why isn't it? Oh,
Cool. So we can tackle these next. All right. So first, let's just go ahead and let's check out all those images because those images seem to be working. So let's switch back to code.
I guess I could work on my computer.
All right. Okay. All right. So tell me if you can spot the difference. I'll give you like 30 seconds and then I'll start to just talk through.
First, it's the website.
Yes.
website
First,
is
it's the website that when you click on, you get redirected to.
right.
Whereas your first one is what?
The Firebase storage where the images are kept.
Where the images are kept, right?
So I just need to change this to the website to start.
Yes. Did I include those websites in the
You gave me the Firebase storage.
and that's all I gave you?
Yeah, and this is what I
Okay.
have.
That is probably, yep, that's all my bad. Okay. So I didn't give you enough information, so that's on me.
That's right.
Let's go back to the code. So take those images that you have. We're gonna copy those and move them into the SRC inside of the image tag. So you can highlight one of the URLs and then you can Control X to cut. And then instead of Deloitte.png and SRC, paste what you just cut. So do Control C. You see on line 174, line in SRC.
Oh, yes.
Paste Deloitte, just paste what you got there. Control V, bam. Save that, refresh your page. Let's see if we have a Deloitte logo. Ah, my scrolling friend. Bam!
All right.
There's the logo.
Sweet.
Okay. So now that we got that, let's delete those other logos because we don't need those first 5 anymore. The first 5 up there, you can go ahead and delete all those. Cool. Now do the same thing to the rest of your images to get them all working.
See?
And now, do you have Slack open by chance?
I do.
Okay, I'm gonna send you the links for each of their websites, and then if you wouldn't mind copying these into
Sure.
the code. I'm gonna make it a website links thread. So for Deloitte, you got that. Boom.
There we go.
Jovo. Jovo. Who else we have? Wave. Wave. Who else we got? Who else are you missing links for?
Is it Toronto?
Oh yeah. Yes, let me get you. Is that the only one?
Deloitte, Toronto, Jovo, Chamber Conference.
Chamber.
And then Wave.
And you just said.
Copy. Who's next? Chamber.
Those look great so far.
Wave. Wave. Save. Refresh.
All right. So now we just want to get it all centered. For some reason, the styling is no longer there. So let's see what we got. We got a section of ID partners. Let's check out the original code. We got two. Yeah, scroll up a little bit. What is in this? Oh, yeah, that's it. It's not all in a section. This is voice first. I'm checking out GitLab right now to see what the original code was.
All right.
Oh my God. What's the name of the section you're in?
Footer. Oh, sorry. No, that's the wrong one. Section ID's partners.
Can you change it to customers?
Oh, yes. That's right. Changed.
Save that and let's see how it looks.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay, so there's a centered. Now the header is still looking off there. What do we got there? Meet our partners where they are. What did that say before? Do you remember?
On the form, you have meet your customers where they are where there are as bases. Oh no, that was section number 2.
Okay. Okay, I see that section. Boom, boom. I don't think I had any text there. What is it? Are you looking at the requirements right now? Can you show the requirements for this? Did I have any text there? Like, do we need meet our partners where they are?
Copy section, meet your customers where their base is. It's what you have me.
What? Oh, copy section 2. Oh, copy section 2. Okay. Got it. Our partners, logos, remove. Okay, we wanted to remove all of section 3, and then we wanted to create a new section called. Okay, all right. So what I poorly communicated was that I wanted you to just delete the existing logos section from the web page, and then create a new section called our partners, which is you get started with it by copying section 2. So let's go into the code and let's copy section 2 and let's paste it, and then we'll just insert those A tags real quick. Section 2 is the meet our customers whether. Yeah, so copy that entire section with ID video. So from the open section ID video to closed section ID video, copy all that.
Wait, sorry. Oh, video. Oh, ID.
There we go.
And then copy down to
the closing section tag. There you go. Yep, copy all that.
Okay.
And then scroll down to where you're working and paste that right below your section. So as you can see, all of these components are called sections.
Right.
So hit enter one more time and then paste. Let's have one space. There we go. Perfect. So now we just want to copy everything that's inside of your section and put it inside of this section in a way that looks good. So why don't you save what you got and see what your web page is right now.
No, don't have
And it's going to look worse before it looks better, but it'll look better very quickly.
Right. All right.
Yeah. Cool.
So
you following?
Mm-hmm. So this section I'll change to customers.
Yes. Yes.
And still have, or change it to meet our.
You could probably just copy what you already have. If you just highlight line 166 and go Control X, just paste it over what line 178. Just line 166. Control X. Yeah, and paste it over line 177. Yes.
Save.
Yeah, can you go in front of the H3 and hit tab so it lines up with the div? Just a little pet peeve. There we go. Perfect. So next, the contents of the section. So save this and refresh your page again and see what you got now. Oy. And okay, now I am confused. Okay, so it looks like for some reason that got. Oh, I think changing the ID to customers did that.
I didn't change the ID in the CSS file.
It's we're good here. We're good here. That might look fine. Let me look at that page again.
Sure.
The web page. Yeah, you know what? Let's keep that as is. Let's keep that as is. So go back and just copy those logos and then put them into this section and delete that Alexa and Google info. So cut lines 168 to 172 with Control X. And then paste them over. You're going to delete lines 174 to 189 with the thing that you are holding. Perfect. Yeah, I think I said 179, but that was my bad. Backspace 1. Yep, save that and let's see what we got. Cool. Yep. All looks good. That looks awesome. Now the only other thing, have you checked this, how it looks on like a mobile screen size?
Nope, not yet.
Easy way, just click oh, you already know how?
Ish, somewhat. Oh, now you just said that, it just made me go like, what am I doing?
Perfect.
Let's start at the top and just,
All looking good so far. Okay. The only thing I'm curious about, scroll up a little bit, is the Google
Why is-
Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Keep scrolling. Right there. Yeah,
This?
that text. That's the only thing I'm curious about. So I'm switching over to GitLab and I'm checking out the code. Would you mind switching over to your code in that section?
Sure, I don't know. Oh, is it because I use menu? instead of-
Almost definitely. Yeah, column large 3. Okay. Yeah, so each of those should be a p tag. So go ahead and delete the word menu and delete those. Okay, great. Now delete the p on line 125, and also delete the p on line 130. Great. Yep, and then the closing, you're already on it. Let's see how it looks with that. I think we might need to copy the styling. I think there might be more, but let's check it. Cool. That's looking better.
Oh, that's better. That's a lot better.
I think there might still be a little bit of styling that we could copy from the other one. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna send you a style. I'm gonna send you the full p tag. And this is another thing that I didn't communicate. So this is also, again, I'm sorry. Appreciate you being flexible about this.
No, thank you for giving me the chance.
Can you check Slack again and copy what I just sent you into your code?
And am I pasting that above it, correct?
You're gonna overwrite the p tag. Did you already copy it?
I copied it.
Oh, cool, sweet. Yeah. Just overwrite the p tag you have right now with the p tag I had sent you.
Huh? Oh.
So
Sorry.
delete like those first 3 characters, the opening caret, the p, and the closing caret, and paste what I sent you.
Gotcha.
There we go. And delete. Nice.
Just do it for all of them, correct?
Why is wait, it's looking weird for some reason. Style equals, why does that look weird? It might be fine. I might just keep doing what you're doing. Why is it looking weird? Okay, that looks great.
Good.
And go ahead and hit the menu up top, the 3 lines. Let's see if that opens. And okay, are those what we wanted? I don't remember.
Uniform for the top. Move home button, remove uploads, add Alexa. On far left first corner, or first button.
Okay, awesome. Awesome.
think.
All right. Next step, would you do you know how to create a merge request? So I think this is good. Unless you have any other questions, this looks like it's ready for Samir and I to take a look at.
No, because I think we honestly, you got everything. I believe that we got everything that you had on this requirements form.
Sweet. So do you know how to create a merge request?
I haven't done one since October, so it's been a minute.
All right. Let's go back to GitLab. And in GitLab, we will find the file that you changed. You don't even need to go into merge requests like that. Not for what we're doing. So scroll down and then click on the there you go. Click on public folder.
What happened? Oh, here?
Yes. Click
Okay,
public
sorry.
folder. And then scroll down index.html. And then click the edit button. And now copy all of your code and paste it into there. Just overwrite all the code we got. Paste it on in there. All right. I think it's either scroll up or scroll down. We got to find where you can save your changes on the, yeah. Yes. Commit changes, start merge request. Perfect. All right. Now you're in a merge request. Would you mind just copying the requirements from your requirements doc in that description section? And then just letting you know, I've got a musician meeting at 5.
Yeah, no, let me just do this real quick. Copy, and then just paste it here.
Yep. That's great. Perfect. Keep on scrolling. And then click submit merge request. Awesome. Can you copy that link and paste it into the Slack channel of me, you, and Samir, and just put @Sweets and @Samir? The link that's all the way up top. Just yep. Just copy that.
And just post it in here.
Yep. And then go @Samir and @Sweets. That way we both get a ping. Perfect. Perfect. Answer. Send that baby. Awesome. So Samir, the next steps, Samir and I will review that. If there's anything else that we see of like any little tweaks that we miss, we'll make some comments in there. And then we'll merge it and then it's all good.
Sweet.